Most people get wedding planning platforms wrong. They assume all tools are the same, but Partiful offers a simple, modern approach for managing invites, RSVP, and events. I've used it, and here's my honest review. Partiful is designed to streamline wedding organization with digital invites, RSVP tracking, and guest management. You can create an event page, customize it with photos and details, and share it with your guests via email or social media. The platform also allows you to manage plus ones, meal preferences, and RSVP deadlines. One feature I really appreciated is the easy interface. Most people get this wrong by thinking wedding tools are complicated. It's actually very intuitive. You can see guest responses in real time, send reminders, and even communicate updates directly through the platform. The surprising truth is that Partiful integrates basic analytics too. You can track response rates, view guest lists, and get an overview of your event planning status. Unlike other platforms, it's entirely digital, which is ideal for modern weddings and reduces paper clutter. The main limitation is that advanced features like seating charts or budget tracking are minimal. If you need full-scale event management, you might need additional tools. In conclusion, Partiful is great for couples who want a streamlined, digital-first approach to invites and RSVP management. It's simple, effective, and reduces the stress of manual planning. Subscribe for more honest wedding platform reviews so you can plan your big day with confidence.